Welcome back to the Herbal Keys. While the garden outside might be sleeping under a blanket of frost, the true work of a herbalist begins right now, indoors. January is the secret window for success if you want a thriving apothecary garden by summer. Starting your seeds early isn't just about gardening, it's about claiming your health. Today, we are digging into 5 essential medicinal herbs that need a head start this month. Let's prepare to grow our most powerful, healing garden together right now. Before we dig into our seeds, I want to take a quick moment to help you stay connected with everything we do here. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button right now and turn the notification bell to all so you never miss a seasonal guide. While you're there, hitting the like and the new hype buttons really helps YouTube share this vital herbal knowledge with others. Finally, consider clicking join to become a member and support the growth of the Herbal Keys. Now let's look at the 4 foundational steps you'll need before starting your indoor seeds today for your healthy medicinal garden this year. Starting seeds in January requires a bit more care than spring sowing. First, prioritize your lighting. Winter sun is rarely strong enough for leggy seedlings, so invest in a high-quality grow light to mimic the summer sun. Second, remember that warmth is key for germination. Using a waterproof heat mat under your seed trays can significantly speed up the process for stubborn seeds like peppers or lavender. These tools ensure your plants think it's already late spring, giving them the vital energy they need to break through the soil and grow strong, healthy roots early. Third, choose the right growing medium. Always use a sterile, fine-textured seed starting mix rather than heavy garden soil, which can harbor pathogens and dampen off your delicate new sprouts. Finally, pay close attention to air circulation. A small, gentle fan in your grow room prevents mold growth and strengthens the stems of your young herbs by mimicking a natural breeze. These simple adjustments create a perfect microclimate for your apothecary. By mastering these 4 basics, you set the stage for a lush, medicinal harvest next year. First on our list is the iconic Echinacea or purple coneflower. This powerhouse is a staple for any home apothecary because of its incredible immune-supporting properties. We start these in January because they are notoriously slow growers and often require cold stratification to wake up. To do this, place your seeds in a damp paper towel inside a sealed bag in the refrigerator for about 4 weeks before planting. This process mimics a natural winter, signaling to the seed that it is time to germinate once you move it to a warm, sunny indoor spot. Once they sprout, Echinacea plants develop deep taproots that make them drought-tolerant and resilient. Beyond their beauty, you can use the roots, leaves, and flowers to create potent tinctures or teas that help shorten the duration of seasonal sniffles. For example, a fresh Echinacea root decoction is a go-to remedy for many herbalists when they feel a scratchy throat coming on. By starting them now, you ensure they have a robust root system before the summer heat arrives. This early start gives your garden a massive advantage for this year's productive growing season. Next up is lavender, a fragrant favorite that requires a lot of patience. Many gardeners struggle with lavender because they start too late in the spring. These seeds can take up to 30 days just to germinate and grow very slowly in their first few months. In January, sow your seeds on the surface of your soil because they need light to sprout. Simply press them gently with your fingertips into the dirt rather than burying them. This extra lead time allows the plant to become woody and established before it faces the outdoor elements in May. Lavender is more than just a pretty scent. It is a medicinal-heavy hitter for the nervous system. You can harvest the buds for relaxing teas or infuse them into oils to create soothing salves for skin irritations and burns. Try using dried lavender in herb-filled pillows to promote deep, restful sleep for your child or grandchildren. Starting your lavender in January ensures you have enough growth to harvest a few sprigs even in the very first year. It's a rewarding investment that will bring beauty, fragrance, and profound healing to your home for many years. Our third herb is the hardy rosemary, which is essential for both the kitchen and the medicine cabinet. Similar to lavender, rosemary has a very low germination rate and grows at a snail's pace during its infancy. By starting your seeds in January, you give them the 10 to 12 weeks of indoor growth they desperately need to survive the transition to the garden. Try using a humidity dome over your trays to keep the moisture consistent during this long waiting period. This helps the tough seed coats soften so the tiny green sprouts can emerge safely. Rosemary is a fantastic circulatory stimulant and is often used to improve memory and focus. For instance, you can make a simple rosemary-infused vinegar for a scalp rinse to promote hair health or use it in a steam to clear congestion. It is also packed with antioxidants that support overall wellness. Having a large, mature rosemary bush by late summer means you will have plenty of material for holiday gifts like herbal salts or infused honey. Don't skip this early start if you want a plant that is truly kitchen-ready by the end of the year and continue to provide for years to come. Fourth is the soothing marshmallow plant, a must-have for anyone interested in demulcent herbs. These seeds actually benefit from a cool start, making January the perfect time to get them into pots. Like Echinacea, marshmallow seeds often have a hard outer shell that benefits from a light scarring or a period of cold before they agree to grow. You can gently rub the seeds with a bit of sandpaper to help water penetrate the coat. This extra effort ensures a much higher success rate and a more uniform garden bed when spring finally arrives outdoors. The medicinal value of marshmallow lies in its high mucilage content, which is incredibly healing for the digestive tract and respiratory system. For example, a cold infusion of the root is a famous remedy for soothing a sore throat or an upset stomach. You can also use the leaves in a poultice for skin inflammation. By starting your seeds in January, you allow the roots to grow large enough for a sustainable harvest by fall. This plant is a true backbone of the medicinal garden, providing gentle and effective relief for a variety of common ailments. Finally, we have the cheerful and prolific lemon balm. While this herb is known for spreading easily, starting it from seed indoors in January allows you to control exactly where it goes in your future garden layout. It is a very reliable germinator, which makes it a fun project for this month. Simply sprinkle the seeds on top of the soil and keep them moist. Using a spray bottle to mist the surface ensures the tiny seeds aren't washed away. This head start results in massive, bushy plants that are ready for harvest by early summer. Lemon balm is a powerhouse for lifting the spirits and calming the mind. It is traditionally used in teas to reduce anxiety or as a potent antiviral for treating cold sores. Try creating a fresh lemon balm Glycerite. It's sweet and gentle enough for kids to take when they are feeling restless. Starting your seeds now means you will have an abundance of leaves to use this year in fresh summer lemonades and then to dry for winter teas. It's a versatile herb that brings a sense of joy and calm to every medicinal garden it inhabits. As we wrap up today's guide, remember that every tiny seed you plant this January is a promise to your future self. By taking these small, deliberate steps now, you are building a foundation for a life of health and self-reliance. Your next garden will be a living apothecary filled with the very medicines that nature intended for our healing. I hope you feel empowered to start this journey today. And hey, since you've made it to the end of our video, please leave a snowflake emoji in the comments so I can thank you. If you found value in these winter planting tips, please take a moment to subscribe to the Herbal Keys and hit the like button. Be sure to click the notification bell and select all so you never miss our monthly gardening updates. We also have the Hype button available now, which is a fantastic way to support our mission of spreading natural wisdom. Finally, consider becoming a member of this channel to help us keep creating this educational content. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Until next time, stay healthy and keep growing your medicine.